Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna do bubble painting. So what you're gonna need is some paint, some little cups or little bowls with some water in it, some dish soap, blank piece of paper, and some straws. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my paint to the water. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of dish soap to each one. All right, then I'm gonna take the straws and I'm gonna mix it up. Gotta mix all that paint and that dish soap together with the water. All right, so now I'm gonna take one color at a time and I'm gonna blow into it and make it bubble up. That dish soap is what's gonna make it bubble up. Then when I have some really good bubbles on top, I'm gonna take my paper, I'm gonna press it down into the bubbles. Then I'm gonna take my other color. Remember, do not drink this. You do not wanna drink soap and paint. Look at that cool design. I like that blue. I'm gonna do another blue. Press it down. Now my yellow is not showing up very well, so all I have to do is add more yellow paint to it. All right, I'm gonna try the yellow again. Here we go. Much better. All right, let's try the red now. Look at this mess I'm making. I love it. Really big bubbles. And press it down. So pretty. I'm gonna keep going and making this. Look how fun that is. If you want to do more fun activities, check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.